Hi, welcome into this Personal Loan Pro review. I'm going to be uncovering all you need to know about this personal lending program and what to expect. Is it legit? The pros and cons, alternatives, and so much more so you can finally power forward with 110% confidence and certainty. But before I get started, my name is Michael from Viral Funding Solutions, and I come out with content like this on personal loans, all business loans, real estate financing, credit, and many different opportunities for you to take advantage of on this channel. So if you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and do so. And also click that bell notification icon so you do not miss any future videos I come out with. Let's get right into this. We're looking at the homepage. It says near historic low rates. Get offers in minutes. So I know how that kind of a headline can catch your attention and make you want to say, okay, let's check out what kind of offers I can get. So what is Personal Loan Pro? They are this kind of like an online marketplace, like the Lendios of the world, sometimes like the Funderas, where you can get in there and you can see what type of loan you can get approved for, and they'll give you a ton of different offers to look for. So it is legitimate in that sense, but it could also mean that it isn't the best, because what can happen is there are all these different personal lending programs out there that like buy in to be featured on Personal Loan Pro, so that when yourself goes to go look for an offer, a lot of different results will come up. Doesn't necessarily mean they'll be the most quality ones. That's something you have to be very aware of. And that's something that I had a mistake of myself when I was going to look for a personal loan too. But over here, you can see I need a loan for, and then you will go ahead and check out which one you need. They do debt consolidation, medical, home improvement, credit card, auto, motorcycle, major purchase, starting a business, grow my business, education, vacation, wedding expenses, and then other. So that's to get started there. We'll go down here. We work with top lending partners. They have Upgrade, Sophie, Lending Club, Best Egg, Prosper. You deserve a great loan, fast cash, get results in minutes and money. It's in your account as little as 1 business day if approved. So it's super fast. Flexible terms. You want a payment plan, lower monthly payments, they can help you. Trusted service. They analyze top lending partners to help you find a great loan for your situation. So again, like I just mentioned earlier, they will give you a bundle of offers if available for you. And they have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau. And then you can see what more or less you'd expect to put here. So for an example, you need a loan for, you put home improvement, search this for your offers, and you can see on the right side here, your loan offers and what you can get approved for. So it's like other types of programs I've already done reviews for, the Lendios of the world, business loans, and so forth. So if you want to learn about that type of content, I'll leave it down below in the description for you to get very fast funding and business funding up to 25,000, even same day instant approval with no interest rates, no collateral, and no hard credit checks. So that stuff will be down there so you can view it. So you tell them a little bit about yourself, they crunch the numbers, and then you borrow that money. Dedicated team that will save you the money and the time. 5.2 million customers have shopped with their marketplace. $46.7 billion in personal loans have been requested. So you know there has been a duration in there, and you know that people are getting funding, and that's just not a hypothetical number or theoretical. 2 minutes, you complete the form and you see your rates. Get personalized loan offers in 2 minutes. Find loans from $2,000 to $50,000 with the APRs as low as 2.49%. And as advertised, that quote unquote may sound great, but just keep in the back of your mind, there are much more things we have to look at to make sure you can even get that amount. So everybody will be different. And so you see here that we can select an amount of what we want. We'll say we want credit card consolidation, press get started, and then what you would expect here. How much cash would you like? And we can say, let's say we want 15,000, and then do you have more than 15,000 in credit card debt? Let's just say no. Give it a second to load there. What's your estimated credit score? From excellent all the way down to poor, we'll do something like fair, 640 to 679. What is your employment status? We'll do something like full-time. Annual income, And we'll 80,000, just throwing a number out there. Not saying what I'm making, I'm just throwing a number out there. You rent or own your home. I will put homeowner. Homeowner comes with more, like a lot of advantage depending on what type of service you are applying for. So just keep that in mind. Are you interested in lower rates? Who wouldn't be? As a homeowner, you may be able to borrow more money at a lower interest rate by using the equity in your home. Mortgage refinance rates are currently as low as 2.02% APR. So we'll just put yes on that because it's always good to see those types of options. And again, you're going to get a list of them. What type of home do you own? We'll just say do single family home. Multi, and those are maybe you're in real estate investing and you have these owner occupied or non-owner occupied places, and just keep that in the back. How do you use this property? And primary home, secondary home, rental property. Again, we'll do primary home. How much is your home currently worth? I don't know, let's put a number out there. And then we'll go to the next one. How much is your remaining mortgage? We'll just leave it as it is. And then the numbers may not even add up, but just putting it really quickly. In the last 7 years, have you had a bankruptcy and or foreclosure? No, we'll put there. How often do you get paid? Every week, every 2 weeks? I'll just say every week. You're in the business for yourself. Well, please no unsolicited emails, unless we're talking business and you need my help, which I'll leave information for down below in the description. So make sure you check that out. What is your name? I could have done John Doe, but just leave it as is. And then, yeah, just go through this. I've done this stuff already in the past, so let's just cut to the chase here. Get to learn a little bit about me. They'll be sending me birthday gifts through the mail, unless you want to. So we have continue there. You can by continuing to adhere by that. Are you in the military? Are you a military or veteran? No, I'm not in the military and I'm not a veteran at all. What is your home zip code? So I'm going to only go to an extent here. So I'm not going to put the address there. I don't want to do that. So that's what I've said. I'm going to go to an extent just to show you. But the rest, you just go down there and it'll show you at the end of it what you can get and all that information. So that is going to cover this portion of the video. An alternative option that I recommend that I've helped a lot of people through as well is through the GoKapital personal loan program. So I've done a separate video. I'll link it down below in the description where I cover the whole depth of what GoKapital is and who they are and why they're a great solution to go to for all types of business loans that they offer, from merchant cash advances all the way to SBA loans and a lot more in between. They do real estate financing. So if you're a real estate investor and then you're in the market for a personal loan or any other type of real estate financing, I will be here every step of the way. There will be information of that, a contact form and videos on the GoKapital program and more real estate financing stuff. So make sure to check that content out if you really need help with this, with your next fix and flip. You maybe have a property in mind. You just want to know what you can get approved for, your rates and the terms. And so I can do some numbers for you and a lot more. So make sure to refer to that. But that is basically what you are going to get with the personal loan program. If you're looking for a personal loan, again, that can show you a lot of different offers, but not necessarily doesn't mean, and that's a con again, that they are all going to be the best for you. And it also depends on what you can meet. Sometimes you can't get approved for the best ones, or you have to take what you can get. But a great option on the table is something like the GoKapital program here, where you can get loan amounts from $25,000 to $500,000, terms 1 to 5 years with monthly payments. Rates range from 6% to 18%. Fast decision, minimal documentation, as you can see there. Requirements needed to qualify. Having a good credit history will help you. But I've done a separate video on this program that I'll link to down below in the description, so you can make sure you know what you can get approved for. But what it has here is 20,000 to 500,000, 1 to 5 year term, 700 Experian, 50,000 in taxes or pay stubs. Time in business, 0, requires at least 5 trade lines. Low, 6% to 18%. and we have 24 hours within 1 to 2 weeks there, time to approve. Important details to know for it, but I'll have a personal loan video on GoKapital that you can check out down below in the description, and that'll cover everything in this one. And if you'd like to learn about all small business loans, different cash advance programs, there will be links to that down below to check out. Outside of a personal loan, and a company you can check for is one like David Allen Capital. You're wanting to get a cash advance. It's not exactly a business loan, but it's a great way to get fast funding. It's one of the fastest ways, and you can even get up to 25,000 same day instant approval funding that I've already helped a lot of people get with their Bank Breezy program. Then that's an option. I'll leave information, video content, blog content, and all that for you to look at down below. All right, so that is everything from me in this video. Let me know in the comment section, did you find this video valuable? What do you need help with? And if you felt like you did get value out of this, like it, give that thumbs up, share it with other people, and subscribe if you haven't already, and click that bell notification icon so you don't miss any future videos I will be coming out with. I just don't want to make sure I missed anything. But yeah, that's everything in the FAQs. You can see there in the contact details. All right, thank you.